Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I will show you how to clear browsing data in Google Chrome. If you are using Android phone, any Samsung phone or Red phone, follow this method easily clear browsing data. Now let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app. Once the browser app is open, tap on the three dots more icon. After that, choose settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down, look at the privacy and security option, open it up. After that, find the delete browsing data option, open it up, where you can see the various options. Choose the option if you want to delete. For example, I am only delete cookies and site data and browsing history. After that, choose time rest. For example, by select last hour. Then finally tap on the delete data option at the bottom menu bar. Confirm your decision and automatically delete browsing data Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.